If you guys have a hard time getting full saturation when you're blending multiple colors, especially rainbow panels, I created this video specifically for you. With Creative Color, it is imperative that you paint not only the top of the section, but the top and bottom of the section, and then use your hands to really blend that color through so you get full saturation and you don't end up with any sort of spottiness. You'll see me pick it up and down, and you will see me hold on to that section basically till I'm done with that panel. Once I'm done with that panel, I make sure that there's no bumps, nothing that's going to get in the way, and then you'll see me drop it directly onto that balayage film. One of the reasons I'm adding the blue and blending so quickly is because blue is actually a very unforgiving color when you're blending it with yellow. So if I was to put that on, let it sit for a second, and then try to blend, it would already be dried and you'd end up with a much harder time blending that line of demarcation between the yellow and the blue.